Alright, man, so thank y'all for every donation. As you can see, we're in Target and we gotta fill carts. We gotta fill carts, man. We raised a little bit over, with me matching everything, we're at $1,200. So we got $1,200 to spend on toys. Let's get to it. Let's get to it.
Got a lot of work.
Let's get to it, man. But I do want to say thank y'all, man, so much for this, because this is a beautiful thing. This is a beautiful thing. These kids, this is for y'all, man. Love y'all, and I hope that this right here can brighten y'all day a little bit, man. And to everyone that donated, thank you so much. Y'all don't understand how big this is, man. This is a major thing we're doing, and y'all made my birthday like the best birthday ever. So thank y'all so much. Love y'all. I'm about to just start clearing aisles, man. I'm gonna clear the aisles. I'm finna just grab a bunch of stuff. Let's see what else we got, man. Let's get some action figures.
Wrestling.
Turtles.
For sure.
Michelangelo. Shout out Mikey. Alright, man.
Barely scraped.
Oh, kids love Buzz and Woody.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gotta get Buzz.
Buzz and Woody.
Got to.
We're down the Barbie aisle. And I'm not gonna lie, I did not know there were so many Barbies.
Yes.
We'll get which? We'll get this. Okay. Is that Elsa? Is that her name?
Yes.
Elsa.
Singing Elsa. Think she sings.
Yeah. Oh, let it go.
That's it.
Let it go. Okay, first cart might be full.
A little bit of space right here.
Got a little bit of space. Let's see what else we can get. Oh, we're gonna cook with Play-Doh. All right. What else we got in here? What else we got? All right, it's time for us to grab this other cart. We gotta grab the other cart because
It's time.
it's time to grab the other cart. It is time to grab the other cart. Man, I know I've said this like a lot, but thank y'all so much for this, man. We're about to really make these kids have a really good day. Let's go ahead and fill up this next cart. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna get this too. These are different from when we was young ones. Alright, let's get some more. Oh, we already got dolls. I gotta get some for the babies, the little ones. It's a lot of toys.
Toys.
It's a whole lot of toys, and that's thanks to y'all. Thanks to, oh, we'll get some Poppets. Princess Leia. We can definitely go Princess Leia. Okay, Bluey. We'll go Bluey. Yeah. Peppa Pig. I know they like Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
I know y'all rocking with Peppa Pig. Yeah. Get some learning toys, man. Yeah. Little keyboard. Do, re, mi. Yeah. We'll get that. Coco Melon. I know the kids rock with Coco Melon. Oh.
Break it. You have any Bobby Builders? Spidey and the Amazing Friends.
Yeah, let's get everybody.
Get them all.
What else we got? Okay. 2-in-1 Leap Top Touch. Okay. Yeah. Oh, and it teach the alphabet. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw that one in the buggy. We got a lot of toys, and we're nowhere near done. I don't think we're anywhere near done yet. ABCs.
Yeah, this is the little.
Let's get some books. Coco Melon ABCs.
Sure what?
Can't go wrong. Yo, I used to have these books.
Sure what?
When the gold on the side. These are the most durable books on the planet. You could throw this book across the planet and it won't break. I don't know if this is enough toys, but we're gonna check out real quick and see how much we have. Oh my God, we gotta go back. My toys.
Add that total up quick. There we go, 340.
You think this is $900 worth of toys already? Nope. We're gonna need a bigger cart.
Yeah.
Let's see where we at. 472.
Maybe not even 7.
This is what we do. If there's like enough left over, go buy some big stuff like PlayStation or something.
Okay.
They can put like in a common room.
The game system.
Yeah, like if you get a PlayStation or an Xbox.
How you feeling, man? How you feeling?
Feeling great. Feeling great. This is a great birthday.
Of course.
Great birthday. All right, so I thought we had enough. We didn't. That was $850. We got to go back and spend $400 more. We can go big, or we can get a lot more stuff.
Go big or go home. Big 2-8.
Let's get a PlayStation 5.
That's how we feeling.
That's what we're gonna do. We'll do that. We'll get a PS5 for the kids, and that'll be it. That'll be the last one. Hopefully they can put that in the common room. Get a PS5, an extra controller, some games. Yeah, we'll do that.
So, see what you thinking.
All right, so look, they don't have a PS5 in stock. So, plan B.
Okay.
We're gonna get a Nintendo Switch. I think we'll be good. So we get the Switch, a few games, and we're heading to the hospital right after. Heading to the hospital.
Let's grab
thank you.
Let's grab Anna.
Yeah, let's grab Anna.
Anna. Not Anna? That is Anna.
Alright, so we good. Thank y'all again, man. Let's get this Nintendo Switch and get out of here. Let's get Nintendo Switch Sports. No blue. Yeah, no blue. I'm trying to think, do you need like extra little
Does it matter the color?
Nah, it doesn't matter. We'll call it a day.
Anna's a great help.
Appreciate you so much.
We would not be able to make this happen without you, Anna.
That's that. We got the Nintendo Switch, got a bunch of toys, got an extra set of controllers, and we got the games. Go ahead and check out. Let's get out of here.
All before 2.
All before 2. All right, so we loaded the car up. It's pretty packed in here. I'm not gonna lie. Trunk is full, back seat's full. Thank you to everybody that donated to this. I'll be honest, I won't record anything in the hospital because I'm not doing that. I'll take a picture with the stuff that we got with the coordinator at the hospital and everything, but I'm not gonna put any kids on camera. I don't even think that's legal anyway. Yeah. But even if it wasn't going in there doing that. So I just hope y'all respect that. But we had 2 carts of toys. We thought we would have hit our goal. We were absolutely wrong. No. We were absolutely wrong. The 2 carts of toys was only $850. So as y'all saw, we got a Nintendo Switch.
Double back.
With controllers and a game for the kids. So hopefully they can put that in the common room. Thank y'all, man. This is so amazing. Like, I can't even express like how thankful and grateful that I am for that we can do this. You know, being in this position for us to like really use our platform to like raise money for kids is the best thing ever, man. So thank y'all so much. Y'all made this birthday the best I think I've ever had. Yeah, this is probably the best birthday so far. Just because we could do this, man. But on the way to the hospital now, I'm gonna see if I think her name was Grace Ann. Hopefully she lets me put her on camera and she just like,
yeah, we gotta get Grace.
Yeah, if she can talk to us, that'd be great. But yeah, man, stay tuned. On the way. Finally at the hospital. We have Grace Ann and Jennifer right here. These are the 2 that help us get everything for the kids and coordinate everything. As you can see, we got Nintendo Switch, a bunch of toys, and this is, I can't lie, it's a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for allowing us to do this.
Oh my gosh.
It really means a lot. And yeah.
Yes, we are overwhelmed by your generosity. So happy belated birthday and thank you.
Everybody else
thank you all so much. This will bring so many smiles here.
Oh yeah. Thank you. And can we take a picture? I just want to take a picture of all.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Sure.